Hello. This is amazing. I can't believe this is working. Okay, so what I'm going to do, cat video. Well, not videos, I mean funny animal memes, as you can see. Fuck that mailman. He said, how cute. I'm so happy to see you. I was sitting on the couch when bang, the cushions exploded. I could have died. I can't hear you, blah, blah, blah. Human, I require your assistance. Let's just look. Jeez, quick, take my picture. Okay. First row. Done. I killed a mouse for you. I'll do anything for you. Anything. Mom, I really need to I just really need to focus on my art right now. What do you mean? I wasn't picked to go to Hogwarts. Okay, that was just quite sad. You know? Yeah. Night, night. Sleep tight. Don't eat the big birds, mate. That's creepy. Happy birthday. 1 year closer to dying. Grumpy Cat's savage. I'm just saying now. And just what the heck am I supposed to do with these? I require minions of darkness. Are you send me floppy jelly beans? Wow, that's just a dumb cat. My cousin's dog is half terrier and half Kardashian. Don't ever post this video to federal agents. Kardashians are wanted. Well, I think. I haven't listened to the radio in like 3 months. Who knows? They might just be off the air. No, wait, no. They were never wanted, but they did lose their money. No, wait, no. The Kardashians are getting more babies. That's what's going on. Yeah. Home Alone. Someone knocks at the door. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, 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 bum. Home Alone cat version. My face when I'm eating my salad and someone brings donuts. What the flip? Hallelujah. Coffee. I think it's kicking in. He peed. Dude, you peed, not coffee. You want to hear the tooth? You can't handle the tooth. That's just nothing wrong. I'm just saying. They see me rolling. They hating. I'm just gonna ride you back. I'm sorry, I just had to do it. I'm sorry. That was just necessary. Don't listen to them. You're not fat. You're fluffy. I don't know, man. What if Frosted Flakes aren't that great? Man. Sad. So, wanna tell me where you've been? And why you smell like dog? That's very funny. I'm trying to say, nope, doesn't work. And I don't think you understand the gravity of the situation. Oh, I think I do. Hover dog, hover cat. I think my dog just died a little bit on the inside when I didn't give her the last bite of my burger. Aw, that's sad. Nope. I have not seen your lipstick. You ate it. I'm melting. Melting! Oh, what a world! What a world! There's always one who ruins the family photo. Oh, savage cats! Your face. It needs my kisses. I am the Almighty! Fear the fuzzy! Fear it! Squeak, squeak. Do you really hear? Squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak. We just hear chirps. The longer you look, the funnier it gets. Oh, he has triple smiles. Quadruple smiles. Tons of smiles. I'm just gonna stay on this one for a little bit. Yeah, this is weird. Never mind. No, this is it. I feel a great disturbance in the force, as if millions of voices suddenly cried out in terror, and were suddenly silenced. I fear something terrible has happened. Dude, your baby just died, and we're eaten. That was sad. That's right. Take the bath, you dirty little bird. Okay. When somebody tells me to sit like a lady. I don't know why I just sang that, but I don't know why I did that. It was just popped in my head, I don't always have mud on my paws, but when I do, I make sure to step on everything. Bum, bum. Angry dog. Get a dog, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Run out, Dan. You got new legs. I had no idea what that first word is. Oh, that is weird. Oh, weird. If you had to jump 3 times your body length to get into a chair, you'd be lazy too. Well, I'll let you guys figure it out. I mean, later, whatever. Yeah, I know. I wanted black, but these were the only ones that fit. He's talking about his feet, by the way. His web feet. I look good seeing not only your flesh, but you're very sour. Like, hold on. I'm doing my best flowery voice. I will consume not only your flesh, but you're very soft. Yeah, just look it up. Seriously, flowery voice. I ain't kidding. Surprise! Oh, wow. Wow. Here's $10. Go buy something that comes in a box. Why? Are you just gonna rip up the box and leave the human with the food? That's funny. I did not slap you. I high-fived your face. And we are way down there. There it is. We're gonna do a kill more. It's better to have eaten something and throw it up, and then eaten it again and never have eaten it at all. Don't do that. Don't you dare take this meme seriously. It's better not to have eaten it. It's better to have eaten something and thrown it up than never have eaten it at all. Forget the third line. Never eat, throw up. Seriously, it's gross. I tried it. Yeah, it's disgusting. They said I could be anything, so I became Donald Trump! Yeah, no, I'm sorry I did that. I'm sorry I did that. That was a very big mistake. Sorry. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but I just bit you, and I have rabies. So that means you have to try to chase me so you can kill you, so I can kill you, 'cause you have rabies. Okay, I'm done with those. I'm done with the songs. When I accidentally click open a new window instead of open a new tab. Yeah, I bet you half of them don't even know what that is. I barely know what it is. Who called you a bad dog? Point them out. I will then them. Perfect, don't. I forgot how the dog. Look, he's stuck. Oh, that is just sad. Nature's slumber party. Oh, that's pretty cute. Shape guinea pig equals baby hippo. True that. True fact. We're out to see the keeper, the wonderful keeper of treats. Okay. I think that's all I'm gonna do. Okay? Goodbye.